RealWorks is excited to introduce the RealCareer Weld Defect Kit. The Weld Defect Kit comes with 13 different weld defect models. These models are of actual welds, allowing your students to be able to see what the defect is and then correspond to it to understand both what the defect is and how to correct it. This kit also comes with weld flashcards. The weld flashcards allow your students to quiz each other and interact, looking at what the problem is and then also defining how to correct it, both from the machine side and also their welding technique. We also give an instructor guide with curriculum, allowing for you to have in-class curriculum and lessons for your students using the defect kit. Also, we give you posters that allow students to be able to see what the defects are and then also how to correct them. All of this is combined in the RealCareer Weld Defect Classroom Pack.